thing on. Well, y'all boys already know what time it is, man. Welcome back, y'all boys. It's your boy T, aka Gino, aka These What? These Nuts. Y'all know what's going on today. Today we're gonna be doing a review on the daily 2017 Nissan 370Z. You feel what I'm saying? We're gonna be going over what I plan to do to this car next 2, maybe 3 years, or who knows, maybe even sooner. So first we're gonna start off with the exterior, and then we're gonna work our way to the interior, and then we're gonna work our way to performance. So let's get it started. So firstly, again, this is a 2017 Nissan 370Z, basically a refined remodeled 350, newer architecture, all that, you feel what I'm saying? It is a 3.7 liter V6 with VVEL, whatever that stands for. I don't remember what it stands for, but let's go over the exterior. I plan to do this car, it's a lot. So first we gotta start with these headlights. I do plan to get these headlights swapped out. You know, you would expect that Nissan would probably swap these out for like a newer design. It is like a LED type of design, you feel what I'm saying? But I kind of feel it would be a better look with something a little bit more modern. So I'm probably gonna get some Morimoto style headlights for the front, and then work our way to all around the car. I just got this car washed, by the way. It may not really look like that, but ain't paint corrected. We're gonna get like a Nismo style front bumper, work our way to the skirts, and then working our way to the back. Definitely gonna get Nismo style rear bumper. But at least probably for right now, I might actually try and see if I can get some splitters for the side skirts and for the front bumper. I think I did see online there was a 370 that did have a nice decent setup, even with just this plain configuration. It is a tuned tried rear-wheel drive sports car. Alright, so it don't got all-wheel drive, don't got front-wheel drive. This is a Japanese roadster, you feel what I'm saying? Now moving on from the bumper and body cosmetics, definitely got to get some new rims. As you can see, these are like 18s, and it's the stock. I don't know what style wheel this is, because I know Nissan for the 370s they got like the race, but this is an 18-inch and it's on some Michelin tires right now. They handle pretty nice, but for the configuration that I want when we get this thing, you know, zooming, I do have like probably a few choices of wheels that I want to do with this car. And then we definitely gotta get some Akebono rotors for this baby, and I might change the color on this one as well. Also, not too sure, I might get a fender for this too, like a carbon fiber style fender. Might look into it, but you know, just for now, we will see as the time goes by. And I will get this thing PPF paint corrected very soon when I get a garage. Maybe this year, maybe next year, who knows, but I will get it, you know, looking nice as piffy, because you know this does sit outside, so ain't no point, you know, trying to do all that right now. Ignore the carpet. Shout out my nigga Trey Scott, man, putting out some real nigga music. I do need to get some rugs to match for this car. Later on, I do want to get some updated seats. These are the sport model seats. It's just cloth, it's not leather. And yeah, this is a Toto F7 head unit. It's got wireless CarPlay, all that. It's really nice, and it enhances, you know, the driving experience, driving this thing every day. And definitely gonna get a newer style steering wheel for this car as well. Definitely need, you feel what I'm saying, some suede like the Nismo style steering wheel. And yeah, it's automatic, but I might see if I can get it swapped to a 6-speed with built trans, all that. So let's get on to the performance. So like I said, this is a 3.7 liter V6 VVEL, makes around 300 horsepower, you feel what I'm saying? I do plan to get a mid-mount turbo kit for this car, not a top mount, because when it comes to maintenance, it's going to be a little bit harder, complicated to get it maintained versus when you could just put it up on a lift and, you know, manage the turbo, the piping, all that. So I'm planning to see if I can get a mid-mount kit for the 370. I know I've seen probably a good few couple on the internet and on YouTube, so we're gonna be looking into that very soon. So little research going on. I also want to get these intakes swapped out. I heard these are not really the best type of intakes for this type of car. It's better to have the ones that sit all the way up into the grill by the radiator. A lot better airflow, cooler airflow. So yeah, we'll look into that. When we go boosted, I will definitely get a single exit exhaust, like maybe a Tomei. I don't want to have that shit on right now because I don't want to be too loud and lose having a low profile approach when it comes to going certain places. Like if I start this car up, right, it's gonna be very quiet. But if I have a single exit exhaust, it's gonna be very loud, and I don't want people to be complaining. And again, don't want to lose the low profile appearance that this car maintains. Y'all will see a Porsche on this channel, I promise you. I've been driving this car like it's a Porsche, and I have driven a few Porsches before in the past, so I know my opinion is practically well-rounded when it comes to those sports cars. This is a sports car, ain't that luxurious, but when it comes to them Porsches though, y'all will see one on the channel. Not yet, but y'all will see one day, I promise y'all. Appreciate y'all boys for tuning into the channel, man. I'm not gonna be uploading too much these days because I got a lot going on. Things gonna be changing where I'm gonna try and start making a lot more money so I can afford this car, and so we can start making the mods to this car. So I gotta make sacrifices, man, and gotta level up for y'all boys, man, because I do really want to put out some fire content for y'all boys. POV drives, you know, all that. I'm not just trying to do car shows and little shit. Y'all stay patient, man. Give me some time, bro, and y'all will see some fuego on the channel. See y'all boys in the next video that I'll put up, which is gonna be the POV, and then after that, I don't know. I'll do see y'all boys. Very attractive body style, considering it is a two-door sports car. You feel what I'm saying? The sleek profile, that's why I like this car a lot, including the color, man. So whole lot on the way. I'll see y'all boys in the next video. Schlack.